Hello, Picoh.
Oh, hi there. I'm very pleased to meet you.
And I'm going to say, hello Dan, how are you? And here we've got a block that is the variable that measures the amount of sound from the speech. So if I run those
Hello
two,
Dan, how are you?
You can just use different voices. Spell French now. Let's try that one.
Bonjour.
Hi Matt.
Hi, Dan. Actually animated.
And so I am speaking, and I could see this, I suppose, if I had the camera on, couldn't I?
Yeah, you could.
Would you either sneak away with a chance of survival or heroically fight the beast?
Sneak.
As quietly and cautiously as you can. When the monster's back is turned, you edge towards a window that has been left ajar.
Can you look angry?
I don't like doing that, but here goes.
and how about sad? Oh, it's doing nothing. And
Hello
now
Dan, how are you?
get 2 blocks here. These give the X, Y coordinates of my face.
How are you?
You'll see that the robot's eyes are
Hello
following
Dan, how are you?
my position.
And I can say also the current minute. So let's try that out if I press the space
Need
key.
to be back.
What time is it, Picoh?
The time is 15:13.
I'm going to bring in one of the sensors, which is the sound level, and I'm going to take the sound level of the speakers. So if I set that running now,